Guys, this is Chair Kicks Revival. Today we're going to be doing a re-dye and cleaning on this pair of Nike Dunks. As you can see, it is very faded on the uppers. We're going to get those looking like new again. We're going to be using our dry suede kit. We're going to basically be using the eraser on the whole shoe, making sure we get most of that dry dirt or anything that might be on that suede. Now we are going to reset the nap on the suede so it has that nice buttery texture and we could get it ready to re-dye. Next, we're going to start cleaning the shoe. We're going to be cleaning the insoles and the bottoms that are dirty. The suede's looking nice and buttery after dry cleaning and resetting the nap on the suede. We still need to re-dye the faded suede, so that's what we're going to be doing next. These are the comparisons of how the shoe looked before and how the shoe looks after it being dyed. Now we just need to let it dry so we can reset the nap and put a little bit of conditioning spray on the suede. And here are the finished results. The shoes are looking almost brand new, like they just came out fresh out the box. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and follow. We'll see you guys in the next.